Welcome back to my channel. Shara here with another video, another unboxing video. So today I'll be unboxing a bag that I ordered off of Mercari site. This is the first time I ordered off of Mercari, so I'm praying that everything looks good, everything looks real. So lately I've been ordering things or items that are hard to find off of StockX, like Telfar bags, which are hard to find on the actual site lately. And I think that a lot of people are just buying them up and then reselling them on StockX. So I have been ordering off of StockX, so at least I know I'm getting an authentic bag, and they do authenticate their bags on StockX as well for a little fee. So I've been ordering off of StockX, but just recently I came across the bags on Mercari, so I thought I should give it a try and just see what happens. Now they were a fraction of the cost, so I don't know if it's gently used or what the situation is, but I'm hoping that everything works out today. And so this is my first time, and I'm gonna open the Telfar mini bag in the color silver and just see what happens. Does it look real? And hopefully I can order from them again if everything goes good this time. Okay, so here we have, this is what came in the mail. Well, it was wrapped up, but I opened that part and it just came in the regular plastic, just like it usually comes when I order from StockX. And it looks authentic, so I'm hoping everything is good, you know, because this does look like what it usually comes in when I order from StockX. Okay, here's the dust bag. So that looks really good too. Yeah, nice. Looks good, looks good. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, this is the silver straps. All right, here we go. She looks so cute. Well, tell me this doesn't look good. This is the silver mini. This is my first mini. I have the gray bag in a size medium. So if you want to look at my old video, I unboxed the gray bag, but I ordered that off of StockX, and it looked, and well, you know, StockX, I really trust them. But this is giving, like, you know, it looks just as good as that bag. You could tell by the stitching and everything that it looks quality. So this is the inside of the bag. Yes, it looks really good inside. She is really cute, and I cannot wait to wear her. So yes, she has the crossbody straps, and then she has the little hand straps. So she is really cute. She has the tag. Yeah. Yes, yes. I can't wait to wear it. I think everything looks good. I am going to give this find from Mercari a thumbs up, and I possibly will be ordering from them again. So this is my experience with Mercari. Everything looks good to me. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you like the video. Follow me on IG at SharaChanel_. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.